Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing some home improvements, aka reorganizing our office once again. I have videoed this once and done this once or twice, but things happen and it's not how you want it, and then things just explode everywhere. So this is what we're working with. This is the before. Crazy. Okay, stuff is just everywhere. I'm absolutely tired of it looking like this, so I'm ready to clean it up. I'm just kind of ready to start doing my crafts and ready to have my own desk and all my space back. So I'm ready to clean it all off, organize it. It's basically just the stuff on the floor that needs to get organized so that the room can be usable. So let's get started organizing and cleaning. So my plan is to move this over, as I just did, and then move my Cricut tower right here, because there's a plug-in right there. So I think it'll work better and it'll give me a bigger workspace. Next, I'm going to empty out all of this and kind of organize it into this desk so that then I can get this bucket out of here so I can then move my Cricut right here. This bucket is literally full of crafting supplies, and I've already organized it once and then taken it out because I thought we were going to get a new desk, but we just haven't done it yet. So I'm just ready to settle into this desk so that I can finally do what I want to do. I got this for my birthday. I haven't been able to use it yet because... Whoa, that is crazy. These are all is a watercolor set from Hobby Lobby, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never used watercolor in my life. Okay, one drawer done, 3 to go. I think I'm gonna make this bottom drawer a bunch of random stuff. Like this is a wax sealer. I have Play-Doh air dry clay. This is trash. I also have all of these paint by color. I also have all these paint by number canvases. Rhinestones. I think this drawer is the universal pens and markers drawer because that's just like what it is for everybody. I'm not taking this too seriously because I know that we do want a different desk in here. So if I organize it like crazy, then I'm just going to be upset whenever we move to a new desk. Throwing it in there is the way to go. Looky there, 5 minutes later and I got it empty. So I do have a lot of Cricut and scrapbooking stuff, so I think I'm going to keep this for scrapbooking stuff and then this drawer for all my Cricut stuff. I just have a lot of loose little things that just need a permanent spot, like this. This is a Cricut heat element thing. So like, I'm just going to stick that in the drawer. But then I also have a lot of little stuff that I like to use for scrapbooking that I haven't really like gotten to yet. So it needs to stay safe, needs to stay flat. And I feel like this is like the perfect spot for it. When I mean I have a lot of stuff, I literally have a box full of just like handwritten stuff, stuff from Italy, patches, stickers, like everything. These are all little cards and stuff that I've collected from traveling. Switzerland, Italy, New York City. I may do a second drawer of just stickers and like cute tape and stuff because I do have a lot of that too. This is full of scrapbooking stuff. So this is definitely going to be the big thing to organize. It has paper. No, wait. No, this doesn't have any paper. Oh! My thing just about broke. This has all my paper in it. So I have a lot of paper, I have a lot of stickers and accessories. I think I'm going to keep my paper in this one because it does have a nice organization system in it. Thanks, Mom. But this one I think I can size down and at least take out the important stuff. I'll probably do a time lapse. Loose stuff I would like to organize better. Like, I have a lot of small pieces of transfer tape that I would love to keep just in case I transfer something that's small. So I guess I'm gonna put it in this drawer over here because, like, out on top of this is just not working for me. So we got one corner done, which is pretty good. I'm gonna let my camera charge, and I'm gonna eat some lunch, and I'll be back after lunch. Okay, just made it back home with this shelf. I do think it's too tall to fit underneath the sweatshirts. I think I'm gonna have to make it a 2-tier shelf. Yeah, it's definitely too tall. I wouldn't even be able to use the top shelf if I did. It comes apart easily because it's literally made of plastic. First things first, gotta move all these bags so we can get the shelf in there. Oh! Thought I broke something. The only problem now is that I remember the shelf being a little bit bigger. I don't think our bags are going to fit on this like I thought it was. I wonder, y'all think I can make this stand up on its own? And then just make it like wider this way? You know what? It is what it is. Now that this is all finally looking so good, I can finally start or continue working on my college scrapbook. I am very behind. I'm literally only in like, what is this? This might be my sophomore year, junior year. Sophomore year, because this is when I was an RA. Yeah, so I have 2 years to complete. So glad with how this room turned out. So, if you don't remember, here's the before, okay? Messy, barely can walk in. I mean, like, it was just chaos. Here is the after. So much better, so clean. You can actually walk into this place, and it's usable. Everything is tucked away. The desks are organized. My crafting space is usable now. I am so excited to get in here and start working. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go do some more crafts. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more of our home renovations or other adventures. We are going to Orlando soon, so make sure you subscribe so that you can see our vlog from that because it's gonna be a blast, obviously. We'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!